Okay, a very good morning to all of you. I am hoping for your good health and good preparation about your studies. So here I am going to explain the remaining part of chapter number 3 of your book is Bravo Manju. So please open your books. Here I am going to explain the remaining part of the chapter and today I am going to finish the chapter. Okay? Let's start. We studied that Manju's father ignored her potential regarding painting, but her mother and her brother, they both were with her and they tried to make her understand that she could be a good painter. So from here I am going to proceed. Manju's throat was thick with tears. Manju was about to cry. Her throat was very heavy just because of tears in his eyes. She turned away from her mother and dashed to her room. She went away from her mother and she went into her room, flinging herself on the bed. Flinging means throw. Fake dena means she fell down on his bed and burying her face in the pillow, and she hid her face in the pillow. When at last she sat up, her eyes fell on a newspaper cutting on the table. When she woke up, she noticed that there was a paper cutting on the table. Strange, she thought. She thought that it is strange. I didn't keep it there. I never keep it here. She puzzled. Then she picked it up and read. Then she picked the cutting of the paper and started reading the paper. Playing football with artificial feet. The quotation was written in that page. That paper was playing football with artificial feet. Means artificial man-made leg. With the man-made leg, a person is playing football. The board heading screamed at her in New Hampshire. So this heading made her made her thinking that what is this? She read on. She read it. Richard Bellinger, who had lost his feet in a train accident. The note was about Richard Bellinger, who had lost his feet in a train accident. While having this deficiency, he decided to play football with an artificial legs. His coach thought it was ridiculous. His coach means Richard Bellinger's coach thought that he is making fool of us. It is completely useless thought. His parents did not like it, but Bellinger stuck to it and made it to the Nashua team as the defender. His parents, Richard's parents, did not like his decision. They did not support him, but Richard was very confirm about his decision. He has decided that he will make history. So just because of his potential, he became Nashua's team as defender. He joined Nashua team as a defender. Manjula dropped the clipping. What a brave boy, she thought. And Manjula started thinking that how brave the Richard is. How he can get this decision that he will play football with his artificial legs. How brave he is. He did not give up. He never gave up. He played on despite what other people said. He never think about others. He avoid the quotation. He avoid the suggestion. He avoid the things of others. Perhaps her mother was right. Perhaps her mother was right. Then she is saying that maybe whatever my mother was saying was completely right. She had to fight on like Richard Bellinger. Then she decided that she will fight as Richard Bellinger did. Manjula walked over to her cupboard, hunted through the pile of clothes, and pulled out her colors and brushes. Finally, Manjula, in a hurry way, she went to her cupboard and she get the brushes and colors. On the day of the on the spot painting competition shortly after breakfast, her brother said, I am off, Ma. Ratan and I are helping at the entrance gate. On that day, at the same point, painting competition was going to be held shortly after breakfast. Her brother said that I am off. Ma, Master Ratan and I are helping at the entrance gate. Me and Master Ratan, we both were working on the gate, entrance gate. They are expecting a big crowd because this competition may be create huge publicity. Turning to Manjula, he said casually, pity you are not coming. And turning to Manjula, he is turning to Manjula and said, I am very sad that you are not taking participation on this competition. I am sure you would have a prize, but I am sure that if you take participation in this competition, you will get first prize. I might still win one. Manjula replied as casually as she could. I might still win one. Maybe today I will win a prize from the competition. Manjula, does that mean you are participating? Amol jumped up and hugged Manjula. Manju, it means that you are going to take participation in that competition. Amol was very happy after knowing this and he hugged Manjula tightly. I knew you would do it. I was quite sure that you will do this. I was sure you would not give up. I am sure that you are not the spirit to give up from the problems. Manjula freed her hands and answered softly, if Richard Bellinger could do it, why not Manjula Parelkar? If Richard Bellinger is able to do this, then why Manjula Parelkar is not? Her brother looked at her, a broad smile spread over his face. Her brother was very happy after knowing this. Richard Bellinger? Mrs. Parelkar asked. Then the mother of Manju asked, Richard Bellinger, who is he? Surprised, who is Richard Bellinger? Richard Bellinger spoke. Manjula and her brother together plays football with artificial feet. Isn't that something? Then they both replied in the same manner at the same time. Plays football with artificial feet. He is a player of football who plays with artificial feet. Isn't that something? And then they say maybe is that something. And the chapter is finished here. This was a very motivational story. We all should always try to get something. We all should try always to achieve something in our life, and we should never give up. Okay, so till then, be safe at your homes, be healthy, and be conscious about your studies. Good luck, students.